How to save recording from Voloco. Just made a clear track in Voloco. Let's make sure you have saved it properly so you never lose the magic. Open the Voloco app. From the home screen, tap plus button or tap new project. Choose a beat or no beat, then hit the mic icon or recording button to start recording, sing, rap or speak. Now you will land in the editing screen. Try out vocals, preset or tweak your sound. Now, once you love how it sounds, it's time to save. Look for the export icon, usually an arrow or share symbol in top right corner or bottom right corner. You will get these options. Save a publish to app like TikTok, WhatsApp or Instagram. Tap save if you want it in your phone. It will save in your music or download folder depending on your device. You can also rename your track before saving it. And done. Your Voloco track is now safely saved and ready to vibe anytime. If this helped you keep your creation safe, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more music tips. Catch you in the next one.